Hi, boys and girls. Today for our math station, we're going to take a look at the number 14, our number for the week, and we're also going to practice a little bit of addition today. All right, let's get started. Well, I thought to show you the value of the number 14, I'd use one of my favorite treats. So I'm going to show you what I have done here. All right, do you see that? I have some yummy marshmallows. They're the ones that are different colored. I really like that kind. All right, when you have number 14, it's a teen number. So there's a group of 10 and then some more. So let's find what a group of 10 looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10 group. We could always even count them by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If we had a tens frame, we would just look at it and say 10, wouldn't we? But we know it looks like a tens frame. We counted it, so we know there's 10 there. Now to get to 14, we have to have our 10 group, and then we need 4 more. So let's count over 4 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Now, I could count it like this. I could say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I see there are 14 marshmallows here. That's the value of 14. Or I could go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Either way I do that, I still know there's 14. What if I put these into a circle? I didn't take any away. I didn't add any. Do I still have 14? I sure do. Let's start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's still 14, even though I arranged them differently. Let's try it like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now I have 2 rows of 7. 7 and 7 is equal to 14. Anyway, I could sort the yellows over here. I could sort the greens over here. I think these are pinks and oranges. I think that's what those colors are. I would still have 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I just arranged them differently. All right, let's take a look at the number 14. Here on your worksheet for today, you can see that we make the number 14 with the number 1 to show one tens group and then the number 4. So when you trace these, you're going to make a straight line down, and then you're going to start at the top again, go down, back, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Yeah, I started right in the middle, didn't I? 14. Don't forget to do those 2. I just could reach that one better for our video. Okay, so trace those 14s. Then you can look at this one and write these. Oh, that is interesting. Let's count how many they have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you keep making them. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They were being funny today. They wanted you to make 14 14s. Oh, they can get tricky. Now, boys and girls, the second math activity you're going to practice today on your own is going to be addition facts for 1 through 6. And they did it kind of fun today. They have our addition facts written on these mittens. Wouldn't it be fun if you had 14 or, well, wouldn't it take 14? You'd only need up to 6 mittens and you could add the mittens together. Yeah, that would be funny. Well, I thought I'd stick with the marshmallows. And then when I'm done, I'm going to subtract some of them. Oh, you know that means I'm going to eat some of them, don't you? Yeah. All right. Well, boys and girls, my first sum that I want to find out, remember, the sum is the name for our answer in math, is what 2 plus 2 is. Right? Let's take a look at what that looks like. I don't need all 14 of these anymore, do I? I need a group of 2 and then 2 more. What's that make? 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of you have that memorized already, don't you? You didn't have to look at my marshmallows. It's getting in your brain so that you can recall it. That's really good with our facts. All right, so right here, I'm going to write the number 4. I recorded or wrote down my answer. Oh, look at 4 plus 1. They made it easy for me because I already have 4 down here. Now I just have to add one more. It's like counting up 4, 5. That's right. The sum is 5. Back under that. Mr. 5 is what you found. All right, let's do another one together. Okay, I need a group of 2. And what do I need over here? A group of 4. Okay. I'm putting 2 right here. Oh, that's not enough. I need to put one more in here. And a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to write a 6 right up here. Do you want to do a couple more together? Then you'll already have an entire row done. All right, let's do a couple more. 1 and 5. Why don't you want to use the marshmallows? Okay, go ahead, Audrey. Tell me why. Oh, because if you notice the number 5 and you're just adding 1, you just have to count up. That would be easy. Okay, let me think. Think 5. Count up 1. 6 because 6 is next. That's right. I didn't even have to use my marshmallows this time. That was so simple. Okay. All right. How about over here? Yeah, I just had to count up 1 to add 1. But if this is a 0, am I going to add any? No, you're not. Let's just show it one time, though. If we don't have any, and then we get 4, we still have 4. Hey, I'm going to go through and I'm going to do something to make my life a little bit easier. Anywhere I'm adding 0, I'm just going to write the same number again. Look at 5 plus 0. That's 5. Nothing changed. 6 plus 0. Nothing's going to change. I still have 6. If 0 plus 4 is 4, then 4 plus 0, it's also 4. Yeah, I'll show you that. Let's look at it down here. I said 0 plus 4 is 4. Or 4 and 0 no more still makes 4. Yeah, that's the same as with 6. Here we said 6 plus 0 is 6. But 0 plus 6 is also 6. Look at that. We're filling these up so fast. 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, now just because we found a pattern, it doesn't mean it's going to work for every circumstance. What do I mean by that? I just can't keep writing one of the numbers down. I could just do that because they were adding zeros. But let's go back to all the ones that just add 1. Could I use my counting up strategy for each of those? I most certainly could. I like to find the biggest number, count up 1. So, okay, 3 is the biggest number. If I go up 1, 3, 4, it's as easy as counting. Yep, we got the answer right there. Where else? Oh, here, look at. I'm adding just 1. 5 and 1 more. Say 5 and 1 more. 6. Good. Hey, I thought we were just going to get one row done. Look at how many we did. 1 more than 3 is 4. We're counting up. Counting is adding 1. 1 more than 4, 5. We just did a whole bunch of those. Yeah, that was easy. Oh, and look, here's a doubles fact. 3 plus 3. Let's do that down here. All right, there's 3 here and 3 more. Yep, they line right up, don't they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 3 plus 3 is 6. We can memorize that. It's the same one again. We can write the same answer again. Hey, you almost tricked me into finishing the whole page with you. Just have a few more to do. Don't miss any because we skipped around. All right, when you get the sums written down or the answers, you can go back and color all the mittens with the sum or answer of 4 blue. I've got a light blue this time, so you can just go back and color those mittens blue. You'll color more nicely though, won't you? I know you'll take your time. Okay. All of them with the sum of 5 will be yellow. Tell Gracie I borrowed her pencils. She would let me anyways. All right, so all of those with 5 are going to be yellow. You can go through and find all the 5s at the same time. You don't have to keep going back and forth with your crayons. Sometimes it takes a long time. And then all of the ones with the sum or answer of 6 are going to be green. So we can color all of these green and then just keep going. All right, boys and girls, there you go. Well, you might not have many marshmallows at home, but if you do want some counters to help you, you could use the counters inside your middle drawer, your brown drawer, those cubes, or maybe mom or dad might let you take a handful of something like marshmallows or dry cereal or something yummy like that. All right, boys and girls, have fun with your math.